Hey guys, thanks for tuning back in. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Alright, so today we're going to be working on the boat. I mean, we've got this welder dialed in pretty good. We've done a lot of work to this boat. We're going to be finishing up this trolling motor mount here. I've already prefabbed it, kind of have it tacked in, just the basics. I'm going to explain a little bit how I'm going to get the beads and how I want the beads. The best way to start like an outside corner, in my opinion. I know there's a lot of other opinions out there, but the easiest for me, the easiest for a starting person is I'm going to be using two different types of rod today. This is R4043. It's the same. The only thing that's different is the diameter. This one is a 1/16 filler rod. This one is a 3/32 filler rod. So this one's going to be a little bit thicker. Also, this one is a little bit, it takes a little bit more heat to melt this rod, whereas this one, it melts really fast. So when you're starting a puddle, it's going to want to burn your aluminum really fast. So that's where this 1/16 comes in really nice, because you can hurry and fill it up so it doesn't burn your project. I mean, that would suck. And then once you get your puddle going, you can then switch to your 3/32 when you want a little bit more meat, and you can follow it down and get a really nice bead all the way down. We're going to get this all set up. We're going to get the machine on. See you back here in a minute.
I'm keeping it going.
There's the first bead right there, completed. What you see me doing with this brush is just cleaning everything up. It's very important that you get all the contaminants off this weld. Make sure you do that. Double check the bead. Make sure it's how you want it. This one is how I want it. I'm going to clean this other side, and then we'll come back and shoot some more footage of this side. Alright, here's this other weld. This one was a little bit harder. I had a little bit of a gap I had to fill, but that's okay. It just takes a little bit more time. We're going to get this bottom piece all filled up and ready to go. Start as sturdy as we can. Stay tuned for that. We're gonna get set up right now. All right, guys, let's take a look at the work. So I built this triangle piece because I have 3 10-inch light bars that are gonna go here. So when we're running at 2 a.m., we can see what's around us. And I kind of want like a full view light because we're in Utah, we're running a lot of marsh and a lot of open water that has sandbars and stuff. So this got some really good welds on here. Send that all the way around here. And then here's the trolling motor mount that we were working on. Got some really good welds here. All the way around. And those are those thicker welds that I had to do down here to kind of bridge the gap. I had more of a space down here, so I just wanted to make sure I had enough meat up on the trolling motor mount and here. We added this little piece for just a little bit more stability for when the trolling motor mounts on here, just because it's an 80-pound thrust Minn Kota, and this is a little bit smaller bracket. Also did another one here. Our plan, though, is to bring this back so it'll come out about here, come at an angle, and then meet back up here. The reason why we're doing that is because this aluminum is so thin. It's a 16th, like I said. I want a little bit more meat to weld to so it's stronger, you know, less weak points, and it'll make this whole bracket stronger and it'll look really clean when it's all done. That's it for today, guys. Stay tuned for the rest of the boat build. Should be a fun time. Also check out our other videos, and please remember to subscribe to our channel. Have a good night. Take care.